All right, everybody, we are in week 5. This is the walkthrough, so hopefully you click this link. Monday, what you're going to go back and do is fix the quiz from Friday. So last week, Friday, retake that entry 1 quiz right there. You should be able to view your assessment now. Then complete this assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to submit a photo of any solution that you can find in your house. So make sure it's not a colloid or suspension, any solution. That's what you are submitting there. Okay. Tuesday, you're going to learn about toxicity. I would really suggest watching this video for directions on how to do it. And then this document, when you open it, it'll prompt you to make a copy. Okay, so I'm going to open it. It's going to make a copy, and then I'm going to do that assignment. Okay. That's Tuesday. Wednesday, we have a short video lecture or PowerPoint taking these notes about concentration. Thursday, there's 10 review problems. Watch the walkthrough, answer with a key. And then Friday, there's a 10-question quiz in here about molarity and other concentration, and that's what we got going on this week. All right, guys, love you. See you later.